This is a step-by-step guide to ordering Cash Buyer Express via the OneSearch order platform. Log in to the ordering platform with your user details. Once in and at your dashboard, start your residential order. For help with this, watch our How to Use the OneSearch order platform video that's on this channel. With your address and boundary plan confirmed, you will arrive at the products page. Scroll down past the products recommended by Search Advisor, and under Residential Conveyancing you will see the Cash Buyer Express product. Select Add to Order. On the next screen, fill in the insured person and level of cover fields and select Save Details. If the details have not been added correctly, the Cash Buyer report will be highlighted yellow on the products page. When the Cash Buyer Express product is highlighted green, the order is now ready to be placed. If you wish to add any additional products to your order, you can do so at this stage. Alternatively, click Place Order to proceed. Double check to make sure that you're satisfied with everything on this page, and then click Place Order. For more information on Cash Buyer Express, visit onesearch.direct or get in touch with your account manager.